Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update not installing error Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshooters. Click Additional Troubleshooters, click Run under Windows Update. Second method is type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Copy text from description and paste it. Save the file as .bat file. Right-click Run as administrator. Restart system. Third method is open any browser, type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Check Install Windows and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.